Hi guys, this is Mr. Fixer. Today I will show you how to fix Xbox app keep running Riot client issue. As you can see, Riot client is not running right now. Now, I open the Xbox app, and Riot client automatically running too. When I want to exit, it is forced to run again. And you get an error saying that you need to close Xbox app first to close Riot client. To fix this, I saw entries that deleted some local files and changed the settings of the files. Actually, the solution is quite simple, and you don't need to do any of this. Click on your account name in the top left and select Settings. Open the Extensions section and disable Riot Client extension. So the next time you open the Xbox app, the Riot client will not open. That's all. Don't forget to like if this video helped you. If the issue is still not be fixed or have another question, let me know in the comments section below. Also, you can support me by subscribing to the Mr. Fixer. Don't forget to all errors must be fixed. See you in the next video.